Hello everyone, I hope you are doing well. Today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of Grammarly app. If we click on settings, in this page, we click on apps, default apps, app settings. Here, in this page, you search about Grammarly app. And you click here, Grammarly like this. Then in this page, if you click on first stop and you click OK, here you will enter to storage. Then we click on clear cache. In the end, you will turn off your phone and you will restart your phone again to fix that problem. So please don't forget to support us.